Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen using the Redmi 14C. So let's say if you want to record your screen and share it with someone, or you just want to record your screen on your Redmi 14C, all you have to do is simply swipe down from the top right corner. And then from here, simply swipe down again to access the quick shortcuts menu. And within the quick shortcut menu, all you have to do is find the screen recorder icon. So the screen recorder looks like this. So you can simply find it and tap on it to proceed. Now, in case you don't see the screen recorder icon, all you have to do is simply swipe to the left within the quick shortcut menu and tap on edit. And then from here, scroll down and find the screen recorder icon and tap on it. Or let's say, for instance, this is the screen recorder icon. All you have to do is press and hold and then drag it to the quick shortcuts menu. And then once you're done, simply tap on done. And there you go. You'll add that particular screen, or rather you'll add the screen recorder icon to your quick settings, to your quick shortcut settings. Now, once you've added the screen recorder icon, simply tap on it. And then I should see these options appear. So all you have to do if you want to proceed recording is simply tap on the red button and the recording will begin. Additionally, you can tap on the settings icon. Here it is, to customize the screen recorder. So tap on the settings. And then now you should see the screen recorder settings. So all you have to do, you can change the resolution if you'd like to. So tap on resolution, choose the resolution that you'd like. You can tap on the video quality and scroll through the available options and select the video quality. So I'll just select at 100 Mbps. You can choose the orientation if you like the portrait or landscape, or you can set it to auto. So you can also choose the sound system, or rather the sound source. So tap on it and choose the source that you'd like your sound to come from. So you can choose mute. You don't want to have any sound at all. You can choose the mic, which will use the phone microphone, or you can choose the system sounds, which includes anything that within the system. And then also you can choose the frame rate. So tap on that and choose the frame rate that you'd like to use. So let's say if I select 90, and also all the other options that are currently available. So if you want to lock screen to end it, you can enable or disable it. If you like to show the touch gestures when you're recording, you can enable and disable that. Or if you want to show button taps, you can enable and disable that. Now, once you're done with the settings, all you have to do is simply tap on the record icon and you should see the screen recording has begun. So you can swipe through your phone, access anything else, be it settings, and it will record everything on your device. You can scroll through and do all the stuff. Now, once you're done, if you want to pause, or rather to stop the screen recorder, all you have to do is tap on this timer and then tap on the stop button. And that will stop the screen recording, and you should see this option. See, the screen recording has been saved. Now, if you'd like to access the screen recording on your device, simply launch the gallery, tap on it, and then so you should see these options. Simply tap on got it, and then you should see your screen recorder here. So you can tap on it and play it. So if it's your first time, you have to allow all the permissions that might appear. So I'll just select allow and select allow all. And there you go. You can see your screen recorder. So that's basically it on how to record the screen on your Redmi Note 14. On your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.